Hi everyone, this is Kelsey from ShopVue and I'll be walking you through our dashboard inspection results today. This dashboard is meant to help us review and analyze our inspection results data over the course of time for a given test. Right now we're looking at the first out of two sheets within this dashboard. This one here is the control chart sheet. And on the dashboard we have a couple of buttons that allow us to easily filter the date range down to year to date, week to date, or last 28 days. If one of those date ranges don't work for you, we can go ahead and use this date range selector, or we can select one of these predefined ranges, or we can use the text box or calendar to select a specific date range. In the middle of the dashboard is this test selector, and this allows us to change the test that we're looking at. So we can go ahead and select something else. The text box below is going to call out the test that we're looking at, the date range for the inspection results, as well as the part and lot or serial numbers associated. On the right hand side we have some filters for filtering by plan, by part, lot or serial, order number, or work center. And below these filters we have some important information such as the mean for the data set, the minimum inspection result, the maximum inspection result, the number of inspection results that we're looking at, and the standard deviation. On the control chart, you'll notice a couple of reference lines here, such as the upper reference line, the mean, and the lower reference line. Out of the box, these are defined by the mean plus or minus 3 times the standard deviation, but that's something that can be modified to fit your solution. So jumping over to the next sheet, we have inspection results details. You'll notice that the filters up at the top are the same. What's new is we now have this details table that's going to provide information such as the time and date that this inspection result happened, the area at where it was recorded, as well as the plan, part, order, and lot or serial number. The status column is color coordinated to highlight passing and failing values. Next to that we do have the value column so you can see the actual recorded value. You can see that these two guys failed here because they were out of the target. If we scroll over, we can see the upper and lower specification and control limits listed in this table, as well as employee information, the quantity reported, and if it applies to a lot or a serial number.